everyone, my name is Vanessa. Welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple green chutney recipe. Now the reason why I absolutely love this recipe is because it is so easy to prepare. It literally takes 10 minutes and it's so versatile, so you can use it in sandwiches, in spreads, as a dip. So it lasts in the fridge for about a week, or if you want it to last longer, then you can just batch freeze it and then use it in a whole host of dishes and curries, etc. And also, most importantly, it is really healthy, so it's very good for you. So let's get started. So now I'm going to take you through the ingredients that I laid out on the table. So 1 cup of fresh coriander or cilantro, half a cup of mint. Now it's very important to get the ratio between the coriander and the mint right. So if you're using 2 cups of coriander, you would use 1 cup of mint. Half a red onion, 4 green chillies. Now the number of chillies you use depends upon how spicy you want your chutney to be. Now I like it very spicy, so I use up to 6 chillies. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 6 to 7 peppercorns, and another top tip, half a cup of freshly grated coconut. Growing up in Goa in India, coconut was such an important part of my diet. I would have coconut literally every day, and not only is it really healthy and good for you, but also imparts this amazing texture to the chutney. So 1 spoon of sugar, and sugar is very important because it helps to neutralize the acidity of the chutney. 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Now I know a lot of you are frowning because I'm using ginger garlic paste, but you can use fresh ginger and garlic. You can use about 2 cloves of garlic and about ½ an inch of ginger. And lastly, if you're wondering what this thing is, this is tamarind. Now you can add tamarind paste that you get in the store, but I prefer to use fresh tamarind, and then you can soak it in hot water for about 20 minutes and it releases this amazing juice that gives this real tangy flavor to the chutney. Also, another useful tip, you can add 1 tablespoon of butter. That gives a really creamy texture to the chutney. Okay, so now I'm going to assemble all of the ingredients. So I am going to roughly chop all of the coriander and add it to the blender. So then I'm going to chop my mint and add that in as well. Roughly chop your onion. You don't have to perfectly chop it because it's all going to get mixed in the blender anyway. And then I'm going to add my coconut, about 6 to 7 peppercorns, and about 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. I'm going to add 5 green chillies. Add my sugar and ginger garlic paste. And another top tip is add about 1 tablespoon of butter. So I've added some butter and then a little salt to taste. And I'm going to add my lovely tamarind juice. It's very important to remove the seeds and only add the juice. So now that you have all the ingredients added to the blender, you can add a little water. Not too much, be very careful. You can also add lemon juice, and if you'd like your chutney to last for longer, you can also add vinegar. So I'm just going to give it a quick whiz now, just a couple of minutes. I'm quite excited to see how it's turned out. Oh wow, look at that gorgeous green color and that smooth, creamy texture. So I'm just going to pour it all into a little bowl. So as I said before, this can stay in the fridge for about a week. Okay, so now we come to my favorite part, which is the tasting part. I'm gonna add some of this chutney. Be very generous. So this is what we're going for, a really smooth, creamy texture. Brilliant. And now it's the moment of truth. So what do you think I'm going to say? It's out of this world, it's heavenly. No, not really, it's just a sandwich, but this is really good chutney. So thank you very much for watching my first YouTube video. If you like such content, please do subscribe. I will paste the recipe in the description below. Thank you, bye!